All right, so today I'm talking about replacing this little thing right here. Because with ours, it doesn't move when you move the handle. So the first thing, there's normally 2 rivets, one here, one under here. I've already drilled these out. Take a little drill them out, take it off. As you can see, ours had an issue here. There's an extra piece that holds here so that when you actually open this, it puts pressure to where it'll make it move there and open. Ours is missing, so that's what it does. It either doesn't move at all or it goes clicky pop and then locks right back in place before you can do anything. So I changed them out. We found a kit on Amazon, and I will put this up on our Amazon store links. By the way, this is an A&E awning that we're replacing this on our 1999 Four Winds Windsport 33B. Nice. So you can see here that piece that was missing off the other one. Look at that. They also give you the little arrow so you know which way it's supposed to go in case you don't accidentally put it upside down. So we'll take this and I'll show you how the pop rivet actually works, because pop rivet again goes here, the little rivet, see here, goes down into here. Once that is in there, put that in there, take it, place it in the hole. Now it's in the hole. You'll just squeeze this over and over. Every time you squeeze it, it pulls that post a little bit further out. And you squeeze it over and over, readjusting it until you get that pop. What it did was it pulls it in there, compressing the other end all the way till it takes this out. So now we'll pull this out, put the next one in, get down here, and we'll show you what we're done. All right, so I've got the other one in. Now as I lift up, look at that, just comes right out the way like butter. Now we have the ability, look at that, we can slide our awning out. Yeah. All right, so those of you all that have been following us for a while or hanging out with us, you all know this awning didn't used to go this high. Let me go over here so you can see a little bit better. Hey, look at that, it's not way down here. Now, oh, I want to change this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Up she goes, down she goes. And there it is. Fixed. Pops right away as you saw, because as soon as I pulled that lever, she was ready to slide now. We're back in business.